Okay, everybody, this is our trip to Walmart.
Ah!
I'm going to hunt the Caitlin today. As you can see, I currently displaced one of my shoes. Caitlin, what color are your shoes? Let's have a look. I know, she's crazy.
But I love you.
So, there's my other shoe.
Oh my God.
Run, Caitlin, run! You don't love me anymore? Okay. This is my sad face, because no one loves me anymore. Except for you, America, right? And that person right there. Da-da-da! We're off to Walmart. Our Walmart adventures. Look at this. It's very yarn. Look out, it's Walmart adventures. I don't know if we're supposed to have a camera in the store right now, but oh well. Down the flower aisle. Do I look sexy or what? Put that back.
He got us.
And we're off to go terrorize some more aisles. Oh, look at the shoe department. Look at that sexy girl. And her friend. I'm just kidding. Oh. Damn, look at that. Ooh, girl.
I know he is.
And I'm wearing actual clothes.
You bought your shoes.
Alright. I cast the broadcast ends in 2,